So this is just a interface between Atmega 8 and a Matrix keyboard. This is a 4x3, and how this keypad is wired is the first three pins 1, 2 and 3, these are the columns, so column 1, 2 and 3, and for the rows it goes like this, row 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the pins are kinda weird. I had to figure it out with a short test, and let's see how it works. So if I press a key here, it's going to show the result up here with these 4-bit LEDs, and this has only 12 digits, so I can represent all of them with 4 LEDs. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and reset. So this is how it goes. The rows are all declared as outputs, whereas the columns are declared as inputs, and the internal pull-ups are enabled, and the outputs are all high, and I drive one of these rows low at sequence and check whether any of these columns are low or not. If let's say all are high and next time row 1 is low, so if I press 1, this key, 1 key, then column 1 is driven low, so I know that the key 1 was pressed, not any other. So let's say in any instant, let's say I press key, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so let's say this is key 5, and I'm pressing down on it, and the program is continuously making one of the rows low and checking whether one of these columns are low or not. So let's say it's first it made row 1 low and all these are high, and then saw anything not one column is at low, so it goes to the next instruction and makes R2 low and all the other pins are high. So if I press down on 5, the column C2 is driven low because R2 is low, and I'm pressing down on the key, so R2 and C2 are kind of shorted, so C2 goes low. The program sees that C2 is low when R2, the microcontroller made R2 low, so it knows that I've pressed key 5. And I kinda noticed that the video doesn't really do justice with the LED brightness, and I like these LEDs because they're not too bright, they're not eye damagingly bright, but the camera isn't picking it up, you know? So the key presses really, let's see, if I can shadow this out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the program is really fast. I mean, you can really push buttons really fast, and the code is quick to catch on. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this is going to be useful instructions for my future self.